Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, hazemamaste, and my name is Hillary. So I want to preface this video with a couple of announcements. If you don't really care, you can just go ahead and skip forward. But the first thing I want to say is thank you guys so much for the positive feedback on my last video. It did really well and it just made me so happy, and that's what's, motivates me to keep making videos. So thank you guys so much for that. It means so much. And second, I want to say that I'm sorry for the lack of videos since my last one. My family and I took a short vacation last weekend, so I couldn't record, and so I'm a week behind, and I'm sorry, but I have a lot of great ideas for these next couple weeks, so thank you guys so much for sticking with me even though things haven't been the most consistent. So jumping right to the idea of this video, my mom picked up this mask for me that's like light pink and it has like candy cane hearts on it, and I love it so much. I love candy cane, peppermint, and mint in general. My favorite like scents, flavors, whatever. So I saw it, I was like, wow, I really like that. So I'm using that as inspiration for today's makeup look. And my idea right now is to create like a wing, but like put stripes on it so it looks like a candy cane. Like white and red eyeliner. I also want to incorporate the light pink color that is on that mask into some eyeshadow, but not anything too bold or anything. So first I'm just gonna prime my eyelids. And I also want to mention that I have already done most of my base before this, so I'm not going to be doing that in today's video. I just want to focus on the eye look. So now I'm going to use my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use that light pink color that's in here just to kind of put that in the crease to match with the mask a little bit, and then also add a little bit more color into this look. This is also my first ever Christmas themed makeup look, so let me know either by liking the video or comment down below letting me know if you like this kind of stuff or you don't, so because that kind of feedback really means a lot about what you guys want to see. And all I did is put this in the crease, but now I'm going to take it on the lower lash line too. Okay, so now I wanted to start lining on this eye, and my idea for the eyeliner is I have this white liquid liner. It's like the Sephora brand one, and I want to like make a regular wing like this. And then I have two options for red. I have this liquid one, but then I also have this glitter one, and I don't know what I'm feeling. I might do this one because, because the applicator on this glitter one is, well, I don't know. The other one is smaller, so I could be more detailed with it, but we'll see. But I'm just gonna get started with this white right now. So I think this looks cute by itself. But of course this is going to be a Christmas look, so we're going to do the red. And I'm just going to go off camera and do a little bit of testing on the back of my hand to see which one of these liners I think would be best to do the stripe with, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've decided to go with this one because I really like this one. I think it'd be cool, but the problem is it's only glitter, and like the base that's used is clear, so it's like kind of clear and stuff, and that's just not what I'm looking for right now. So I'm just gonna try my best with this. If I mess up, I can always go back with the white and cover over it, and fix my mistakes. But we'll just see how this goes. Okay, so I think this is really cute. Once this faux layer dries, I might go back and make the red lines thicker, because on a candy cane, like the red and white are pretty equal in like how big the stripes are, but I definitely made the red a lot smaller than the white. So I think I'm gonna go back to a second one real quick, and then I'll do the other eye off camera. So now the eye look is complete, but there were a couple more things that I want to do to the face to kind of bring this all together. So when I first came up with this look, I really liked the idea of a silver highlight, because you know, silver, white, you know, they look pretty good together. But I don't actually have a highlight that has like silver coloring to it. So I have this eyeshadow palette, and it has a really pretty silver color right there, and I'm gonna try to use it as a highlight. I'm gonna start with the cheeks, then maybe the nose, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so I really like how that looks. I'm glad I did that. So there are just a couple more things. I definitely want to pick a lip color to go with this. I haven't got one in mind yet, so I'm gonna be right back when I find one that I like. Okay, so I found this moisturizing lip gloss from LA Colors. LA Colors is one of my favorite makeup brands of all time, no cap. And I think that this color would be really cool because it matches like the light pink color that I did for the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go with this. So it's a lot more sheer than I originally anticipated, but I think that is totally okay because it still gives my lips like a nice tint, and if you catch it in the right light, it does reflect those light pink sparkles that we saw in the bottle. So I actually really like this, and I think that is the final look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like I said, it means so much to me that you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm making. So please let me know what you think of this one in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.